Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to disable emergency alerts notifications on the X app. If you've been getting alerts that you'd rather not receive, don't worry. This process is quick and easy to set up. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your settings. This is where you'll find all the controls you need to manage the way apps send you notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app currently installed on your device, making it simple to select the one you want to adjust. From there, find and tap on the X app. This will open up specific options and features related to the app, including how it handles notifications. Once inside the X app settings, look for the option that says Notifications and tap on it. This menu is where you can customize exactly which types of alerts the app is allowed to send you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This is an important step because the X app organizes its notifications into categories, so you can decide which ones you want to keep on and which ones you want to turn off. In this list, look for emergency alerts. These alerts are enabled by default, which is why you may have been receiving them. To stop them, simply toggle the switch off. Once you do that, the emergency alerts from the X app will no longer show up on your phone. And that's it. You've successfully disabled emergency alerts notifications for the X app. From now on, you'll still be able to use the app normally, but without being interrupted by those specific alerts. If you ever change your mind and want to turn them back on, just follow these exact same steps and toggle the switch back to enabled. Thanks for following along.